Most home sellers want to know, how can I improve my chances of getting top dollar? And today's video, I'd like to talk to you about a story that recently happened and show you some before and afters. So I got a phone call from a home seller, a woman that was in Philadelphia, and she was looking to sell a property that her parents owned. And they needed to sell this property because the parents were coming up in age and it was time to sell. And when I heard that, I thought, okay, probably going to be a dated property. And I was right. When I walked in, it was dated. Although the major components of the condo unit were nice, the house had dated furniture and decor. What made it look dated was the decor, the way it was decorated. Old dark leather sofas, old dark wood. And so my recommendation was, this is a perfect home to stage. The furniture you're not planning on keeping. She said no. And most of the stuff is gonna have to get packed away, shipped back home, or given away, right? And she said, yeah. I said, well, this might be the perfect opportunity. Why don't you guys let us help you with getting those things arranged, get the property vacated, and then we'll come in with our home stagers. We'll give it a fresh coat of paint and we'll stage it. And the property will look awesome. And we're ready to go to market, and I'm really excited about the before and after, and I'd love for you to see and let me know what you think. So anybody can take a couple pictures with an iPhone and put them online. But a real estate professional who really values the work they do is going to give the advice to a client and make sure that the client knows they have options to really improve the outcome. Preparing a home for sale is important. And we here at Stratwell, we help customers prepare the home properly so that when we hit the market, you make the first impression, the right impression, and get the top dollar in the shortest amount of time.